Welcome back, fellow digital marketers. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of online advertising and uncover the key differences between SEO and SEM. These two terms are often used interchangeably, but there are some important distinctions to be aware of if you want to succeed in the world of online marketing. Shot 1. What is SEO? SEO is an essential aspect of any successful online marketing strategy. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can increase your online visibility, reach a wider audience, and drive more targeted traffic to your site. This, in turn, can help to improve your brand recognition, increase your sales, and ultimately grow your business. However, SEO is a complex and constantly evolving field, and it requires a great deal of expertise and experience to achieve optimal results. To get the most out of your SEO efforts, it's important to work with a professional team that can provide you with the guidance, support, and resources you need to succeed. Whether you're just getting started with SEO or you're looking to take your strategy to the next level, there's no doubt that this powerful tool can help you reach your goals and achieve lasting success online. Shot 2. What is SEM? Now, let's delve deeper into the world of SEM. As we mentioned earlier, SEM encompasses any paid search activities, mainly focused on running ads on search engines to drive traffic to your website. This form of marketing can provide an excellent means of generating quick traffic and boosting your online visibility. Nevertheless, it is crucial to acknowledge the potential expenses associated with SEM. Without a well-thought-out strategy in place, the costs may exceed your expectations, and your efforts may not yield the desired results. Therefore, it is imperative to carefully plan and develop a solid strategy before plunging into the realm of SEM. By doing so, you can optimize your budget and maximize the effectiveness of your SEM campaigns. Shot 3. The key differences. While SEO and SEM are both strategies aimed at enhancing visibility on search engines, there are important distinctions between the two. SEO, or search engine optimization, specifically focuses on generating organic traffic through various techniques such as optimizing website content, improving site structure, and obtaining backlinks. On the other hand, SEM, or search engine marketing, involves investing in paid advertising to drive immediate traffic to a website. Although SEO is considered a long-term strategy that requires patience to yield results, SEM can provide quick outcomes. However, it is crucial to manage SEM campaigns effectively to prevent costs from escalating over time. Both SEO and SEM play a significant role in enhancing online visibility, but understanding their differences allows businesses to make informed decisions about their digital marketing strategies. Shot 4. Complementary strategies. When it comes to online advertising, it is important to understand that SEO and SEM are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they can complement each other quite effectively. While SEO focuses on optimizing your website for organic search rankings, SEM concentrates on paid advertising campaigns and immediate results. Combining the strengths of SEO and SEM can significantly enhance your online visibility, ultimately leading to more traffic and conversions. By implementing SEO strategies, such as providing high-quality content, optimizing meta tags, and improving website structure, you can establish a strong foundation for your website to attract organic traffic in the long run. On the other hand, SEM can drive instant traffic by leveraging paid ads, such as Google AdWords or social media campaigns. By utilizing both strategies simultaneously, you can achieve optimal results in terms of visibility and targeted traffic, both in the short and long term. Shot 5. Future directions. It is essential for digital marketers to keep up with the constantly evolving landscape of SEO and SEM. Just as search engines are becoming increasingly sophisticated, the strategies employed by marketers must similarly advance. For example, as voice search becomes more prevalent, marketers must optimize their content to be voice-friendly. Moreover, with the increasing significance of mobile devices, implementation of AMP, accelerated mobile pages, and mobile-first indexing is also necessary to ensure that their websites are adequately optimized. In short, a willingness to experiment with new techniques and adapt quickly is crucial in staying ahead of the competition.